Strolling along Taipei Road with Mokusadang Swiskies. Begins to run without an umbrella or so to the skin. Oh no! What do we see? Can you see that? Why are we here? Kuya sir, why is it all Sanrio and Hello Kitty stuff? Where's my store? Ta-da! Look! It's a giant me. Can we get it? Can we get it? Please? What's that, Sharky? You feel alone? Why? We got your siblings. We have Whiskey, Goofy, and Tappy. And there's also Sweaty and Swisky. You don't like them? Not enough? But we already went to the Hello Kitty store. But we did not find anyone else to get. And we're not a fan of Sanrio or Hello Kitty. Don't you like your family? What did you do? Look! You have a brother, or a sister, or a twin. We are getting bigger and bigger. Are you happy now? What, Sweaty? You're the only one without a sibling? We'll look for someone for you too, okay? Smile!